300 inches of snow. That number just appeared on the latest models, and if you live anywhere from Seattle to Los Angeles, the next 72 hours will rewrite the record books. But here is what nobody is talking about. While the West drowns in historic snowfall, a completely different monster is forming right now over the Gulf of Mexico, and it is heading straight for Florida with rotating supercells by tomorrow afternoon. Right now, at this exact moment, severe thunderstorms are already forming across East Texas. By 8 p.m. tonight, a violent squall line will be hammering Houston with 60-mile-per-hour winds. But that is just the opening act. Within 30 seconds, I am going to show you the 3 specific time windows when your area faces the greatest danger, whether that is tornadoes, flooding, or travel-shutting snow. And if you are in one of the 250 major cities I am covering today, comment your location below and I will give you your personal timeline. Let me be direct. Tonight through Monday morning is when the Southeast faces its most dangerous severe weather outbreak of the entire winter season. We are not talking about a few thunderstorms. We are talking about an organized line of storms with embedded supercells, large hail, damaging winds, and a genuine tornado threat that will impact over 50 million Americans. Here is your exact timeline if you are in the danger zone. Right now, Saturday evening, February 14th at 6 p.m. Central Time, thunderstorms are already developing from Corpus Christi to Texarkana. These are not ordinary storms. They are forming ahead of a powerful cold front, and the atmosphere is loaded with energy. By 8 p.m. tonight, the main squall line hits Houston, Beaumont, and Tyler, Texas. You will see winds gusting over 60 miles per hour, quarter-size hail, and the possibility of spin-up tornadoes along the leading edge. But here is the critical detail most forecasts are missing. Any storms that develop ahead of this main line, any supercells that pop up in front, those are the ones that could produce significant tornadoes. The main line will bring widespread wind damage. The discrete cells ahead of it, those bring the tornado threat. By midnight tonight, the squall line crosses the Mississippi River. New Orleans, you are looking at storm arrival around 3 a.m. Sunday morning. Shreveport, Baton Rouge, Lafayette, Lake Charles, Alexandria, you are in the strike zone between 9 p.m. tonight and 2 a.m. Sunday. Have multiple ways to receive warnings tonight. Your phone, a weather radio, anything that will wake you up if a tornado warning is issued. Now here is where this gets more complex and more dangerous. Sunday, February 15th, the severe weather threat shifts east, but it also intensifies. By mid-afternoon Sunday, between 2 p.m. and 6 p.m. Eastern Time, northern Florida and southern Georgia face a significant tornado outbreak potential. Panama City, Tallahassee, Gainesville, Jacksonville, Valdosta, even Orlando, you are in a slight risk area, which means conditions are favorable for tornadoes. The Storm Prediction Center is showing a 5% tornado probability right now. That will likely be upgraded to 10% by tomorrow morning. Why? Because we are seeing all the ingredients come together. Dew points in the low to mid-60s across southeast Alabama, South Georgia, and North Florida by Sunday afternoon. That moisture combines with strong wind shear and you get rotating storms. The specific danger window for Florida and Georgia is Sunday afternoon between 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. Eastern Time. Interstate 10 from Tallahassee to Jacksonville will be extremely dangerous. Interstate 75 from Orlando north to the Georgia state line planned for severe thunderstorms, heavy rain, and possible tornadoes. If you have outdoor plans Sunday afternoon in this region, cancel them now. But severe weather is only half of this story. The flooding threat is equally serious, and it is already beginning. Arkansas, you are seeing heavy rain right now. Little Rock, Memphis, Shreveport, areas that have already seen significant rainfall are about to get another deluge. We are forecasting an additional 2 to 5 inches of rain from the Ark-La-Tex region, that is Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas, extending northeast through Memphis. By Sunday and Monday, the flash flooding threat expands dramatically. From the Carolinas to Virginia Beach, down through northern Florida, we are looking at widespread rainfall totals above 1 inch, with isolated areas seeing 3 to 5 inches. The Weather Prediction Center has a marginal risk for excessive rainfall across a huge area Sunday into Monday. That means isolated flooding is possible, especially in poor drainage areas near rivers and streams and anywhere that has seen recent heavy rain. Now, while the South is dealing with severe weather and flooding, let me show you what is happening out west, because this is where the numbers become almost unbelievable. The Sierra Nevada mountains are about to experience one of the most extreme winter storms in modern record-keeping. I am not exaggerating. Listen to these snowfall forecasts. 2 to 4 feet generally. Some peaks receiving 6 to 8 feet of snow through Tuesday. And that is just the beginning. The atmospheric river slamming into California starting Sunday night is what the Weather Prediction Center is calling an extreme impact event. This is not typical winter weather. Starting late Sunday, February 15th, continuing through Monday and Tuesday, the Sierra Nevada will see snowfall rates of 3 to 5 inches per hour at peak intensity. Donner Pass will be impassable. Highway 80 will be closed. If you are trying to cross the Sierras Monday or Tuesday, do not even attempt it. Specific snowfall amounts through Tuesday. North and east of Fresno, 42 inches. Oregon Cascades, 50-plus inches. Washington Cascades, similar totals. Mountain communities, ski resorts, anyone above 4,000 feet elevation will be impacted. The snow does not stop Tuesday. Continuous atmospheric river storms target the West Coast for 2 weeks. Models show 300 inches for the highest Sierra Nevada elevations. 300 inches equals 25 feet. Lower elevations could see 50 to 100 inches. Where it is not snowing, it is flooding. Los Angeles and Santa Barbara face excessive rainfall risk Monday. Strong southwesterly winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour push moisture into coastal ranges. Near burn scars or low-lying areas, Monday is high alert day. Rain totals are staggering. Coastal California through western Oregon, 10 to 15 inches through early March. Rivers will rise. Flood watch is coming. Now here is the twist that is developing for the mid-Atlantic and Northeast. While the South gets tornadoes and the West gets buried, a very tricky winter weather situation is setting up Sunday night into Monday morning for the I-95 corridor. We are talking about Philadelphia, New York City, possibly Washington, D.C., and Baltimore. Cold air damming east of the Appalachian Mountains is creating a thermal boundary. As moisture streams north from that southern storm system, it is going to run into cold air Sunday night. The national blend of models is showing accumulating snow from eastern Pennsylvania through New Jersey, possibly reaching New York City. Now, this is not a blockbuster. This is a nuisance snow event. But here is what makes it important. Timing. This could happen overnight Sunday into Monday morning, right during the morning commute. Even 1 to 3 inches of snow in a short period can create significant travel problems in major cities. The Weather Prediction Center is giving New York City less than 20% chance of 2 or more inches. So do not expect a big snow, but monitor this closely. Sunday night. By 3 a.m. Monday, parts of the I-95 corridor could have an inch or more of snow on the ground, just enough to make Monday morning travel messy. Philadelphia, you might see 1 to 2 inches. New York, similar amounts possible. Washington and Baltimore, this is more borderline, but some snow is possible Sunday night into Monday morning. This is one of those forecasts where the exact track makes all the difference. 50 miles north or south completely changes who sees snow versus who sees rain. Now, the big picture for late February into early March. Mid next week, Wednesday and Thursday, record-breaking warmth hits the central United States. Temperatures 20 to 30 degrees above average. Omaha could hit 75 Tuesday, shattering records. Lincoln, Hastings, mid-80s. Abilene, mid to upper 80s. Chicago, 60s. Midweek when normal is 30s. Indianapolis could break records Wednesday at 66. Mount Vernon, Illinois, 72 would be a record. Overnight lows will be record warm. Wednesday morning could start near 60 in the Mississippi Valley. Kansas City, Des Moines, morning lows in mid-40s, Monday and Tuesday 15 to 20 degrees above normal. When extreme warmth like this ends, it ends violently. Friday, February 20th, a strong cold front races across. This could trigger severe thunderstorms far north, possibly into the mid-Atlantic. By weekend February 21st and 22nd, temperatures crash. The pattern flips. By February 23rd, reality returns, highs in 20s and 30s. With that cold air return comes more snow for upper Midwest, Great Lakes, and New England. The European model shows a potentially significant storm around February 20th. The pattern is clear. Active winter weather for northern states, heavy snow for western mountains, active severe weather across the south. February 16th through 23rd, expect multiple snow chances for northern regions, some heavy, ice, sleet, freezing rain possible south of heavy snow. Classic late February pattern. Fourth week of February into March 1st, severe weather returns to Dixie Alley and Southeast. This is peak season. Expect strong storms, large hail, damaging winds, tornado potential. Bottom line for the next 2 weeks. West Coast, relentless heavy snow in mountains, significant rain lower elevations, travel extremely difficult in mountain passes. Chains required. Expect highway closures. Southeast. Severe weather tonight through Monday, highest tornado risk Sunday afternoon northern Florida and southern Georgia. Another severe episode possible late month, central and eastern U.S. Enjoy warmth midweek, prepare for winter return late month. Upper Midwest and Great Lakes, multiple snow chances, possible significant storms. Comment your city below for specific timing. The March forecast with spring severe weather outlook comes next.